Welcome to Olivia English Practice.
Don't be lazy.
Don't be lazy.
Say thank you.
Say thank you.
You're so smart.
You're so smart.
You forgot something.
You forgot something.
I need your help.
I need your help.
Erase the line.
Erase the line.
Close the door.
Close the door.
That's too loud.
That's too loud.
Don't be rude.
Don't be rude.
Look over here.
Look over here.
I'm proud of you.
I'm proud of you.
Hold my hand.
Hold my hand.
What did you hear?
What did you hear?
Let's begin now.
Let's begin now.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Open your eyes.
Open your eyes.
Let's sing together.
Let's sing together.
Stop the noise.
Stop the noise.
Don't push others.
Don't push others.
It's not yours.
It's not yours.
That's not nice.
That's not nice.
Don't touch that.
Don't touch that.
Try to walk slowly.
Try to walk slowly.
Let's fix this.
Let's fix this.
That's enough.
That's enough.
I give my best.
I give my best.
I am not afraid.
I am not afraid.
I breathe and rise.
I breathe and rise.
I take the leap.
I take the leap.
I keep showing up.
I keep showing up.
I train my mind.
I train my mind.
I go all in.
I go all in.
I see the way.
I see the way.
I trust the process.
I trust the process.
I keep my focus.
I keep my focus.
I live with purpose.
I live with purpose.
I never give up.
I never give up.
I grow every day.
I grow every day.
I keep it moving.
I keep it moving.
I stay the path.
I stay the path.
I am not weak.
I am not weak.
I hold my peace.
I hold my peace.
I rise with hope.
I rise with hope.
I am still here.
I am still here.
I move with faith.
I move with faith.
I build my life.
I build my life.
I do hard things.
I do hard things.
I win with love.
I win with love.
I keep my strength.
I keep my strength.
I keep my promise.